Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Fiesta brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Next, safely lift your vehicle and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Finally, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the brake caliper assembly, preparing for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old pads. Begin by using a wrench to loosen the two caliper guide pins, allowing the caliper to move freely. With the pins loosened, carefully remove the entire brake caliper from its mounting bracket. Finally, slide out the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket, making sure to note their orientation for the new ones. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool. Next, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Finally, reinstall the brake caliper onto its mounting bracket and securely tighten the guide pins. To finish up, reattach the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to properly reset the caliper piston and ensure firm pedal feel. This is crucial for safety. Also, for some great deals, including a link to incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.